Ayurveda emphasizes the important role of digestive fire, or Agni, in maintaining holistic health, recognizing that a balanced Agni is foundational to both physical and mental well being. Agni is often likened to a fire that, when strong, fuels our digestion and vitality, allowing us to absorb nutrients efficiently. When this fire is weak, it leads to ama, or toxins, which disrupt digestion and can manifest in various health issues, from bloating to fatigue. In Ayurveda, digestive fire, Agni, is not only influenced by what we eat but also by our daily routines. Always eat seasonal. A diet rich in seasonal, unprocessed foods works in harmony with the body, actively supporting Agni and allowing nutrients to be absorbed more effectively while reducing digestive discomfort. Add spices in meals according to Mansi Sharma, Ayurveda expert, co-founder, Gu, Life Chart. Incorporating digestive spices like ginger, cumin, and fennel naturally stimulates Agni, making them more than mere flavor enhancers. They are key allies in managing gas, indigestion, and bloating. Drink hydrating teas to maintain the digestive fire. Take help of herbal teas. Staying hydrated with warm herbal teas, like ginger or fennel tea, which gently nurtures Agni without shocking the system. Practice yoga and meditation. Lifestyle choices like stress management are crucial, as stress can weaken Agni and disrupt the gut brain connection, leading to digestive issues such as constipation, bloating, or even loss of appetite. Practicing relaxation techniques like yoga and meditation calms the mind, which in turn helps stabilize Agni and enhance digestion. Don't mix foods according to Dr. Almas S. Bams, Ayurveda expert. Proper food combining is another important Ayurvedic principle to optimize digestion. For instance, we avoid mixing dairy with soft fruits or pairing fruits with grains, as these combinations can cause digestive discomfort and disrupt Agni. Get sleep. Getting sufficient sleep is essential for maintaining your gut health. A restful night's sleep rejuvenates digestive Agni, allowing it to function optimally throughout the day.